So I've flown all the way out to Munich, Germany to show you the future of BMW and what that future will actually look like. This is a vision vehicle and it's called Neue Klasse, or new class of vehicle. And it's not just about the vehicle itself, it's about what all BMWs will look like in the future. On the outside, lots of dynamic technology. On the inside, that technology continues, but it's married with style and lights. And the powertrain, well, we've learned a little bit about that, but not enough. So let's start with design. So what's BMW famous for? Well, a lot of the times that's the kidney-shaped grille. Oh, this is obviously electric, so there is no grille. In fact, it's now two headlights at the front here. The kidney-shaped grille has evolved into lights at the front of the vehicle. But there's also these big power domes on each side. That's indicative of what BMW has. The shape of this vehicle up front is very similar to the 2002, but yet very modern and very progressive. And on the side, there's something else that BMW is famous for. Lots of changes on the outside as well. This is a very reductive design. BMW have taken a lot away, but still maintain some things they're famous for. Short overhangs, and look how the daylight opening space here, the glass has actually increased. Originally it was where this line is, but now it's come down, so there's a lot more open space on the inside. Cameras instead of mirrors on the side here, and this actually lights up along the side to allow you to get information as you approach the car and come up to it. And then to open the door, just put your hand and the door opens all the way. That is modern technology. You cannot miss this golden corduroy color on the inside of the vehicle. And BMW wanted to make this vehicle light and spacey with lots of room and to be ultra comfortable. By the way, this is the gear shifter here, and it's gone. The iDrive, which we're so familiar with in BMWs, that's actually now part of the steering wheel. You'll use this side of the steering wheel. Large, interesting shape for the touch screen here in the middle, but the information from this touch screen is exchangeable with the information at the front of the vehicle. It's projected onto the lower half of the windshield all the way across, so you can grab things from here and push them up to that reflective space there, like a huge heads-up display. Check out the glass roof all the way from the back where the trunk starts right the way to the front of the windshield. And then there's the beautiful use of light on the inside. BMW have taken the light and used it throughout the vehicle to change things as you change them on the vehicle. If you want the temperature changed here, you can move this bar across and change the temperature, and you can see the colors change not only on the screen but also on the windshield. It's packed with new technology. It's packed with all the creature comforts that you expect from a car. The Neue Klasse, you'll expect to see them arrive in 2025 with a final production version. But for now, this is the future of BMW.
I'm Nick Miles.